the fan is so special, I'm not going to say what it is. I mean, I know what it is, but I'm not going to say what it is. I mean, it's up for you guys to figure it out. And maybe a few people know, but they probably don't. And the thing is, I would have shown this off when I first got it. In fact, I wanted to actually show it in a very, very special occasion, but unfortunately, work, weather, and some other instances over the last few weeks have happened, and everything's been pushed back. And for that one instance that I explained, I mean, some of you know, and if you don't, well then feel free to DM me and I'll explain and all that. So, I really need to stop saying that. So, I guess if we're ready, let's go. Oh yeah, I don't even know where to begin with this. I mean, it looks like they sealed it in like Fort Knox. Or bleached it like Fort Knox. I don't know. But either way, I don't want to destroy this box. I want to keep the box because I like to try to ship another fan out because, I mean, I know Tori has a fan that he wants to get, at least 3 of them. One of them being super fan, the other one the Lasco 4713, and I think Bo Mitchell wants that other 3713 that I have because I have 2 of them. All that is like time, and damn, how the hell did you film? Dude, what the fuck, dude? Seriously, I don't even know where to begin. Okay, here we are. We are breached. We are breached. And I also don't want to try and cut myself because, well, we all know what happened the last time I cut myself. Okay. I'm also trying to do this with a very limited space, so... I'm still in the shot. With my camera on. Yeah, for those who didn't realize I was like channeling Charles Wilson Riley. Classic Magic Game. Look it up. It's funny. You know what? We may have to. I have learned something. Go to U-Haul, get yourself a box for medium electronics. Break it down and it'll fit a box fan. Or 2. Or 3. Newspaper! Oh yeah, we got newspaper. See it. I see it. I think the tape's not right. I don't get it flipped, so... Set this down because it's going to be awkward and there it is! Ta-da-da! Bet you haven't seen one of these in a long time. I mean, yeah, a 3 plastic blade box fan, and it is a Robeson 3-speed. Check out the model number. And it's a model number. Please focus. Focus! Focus. 2306. 120 volts, 2.7 amps, 60 hertz. Patent pending. I love how they put the cord that way. It's a little rusty in some places. Intriguing. Well, I guess maybe because it's like the rubber feet for here and this if you have on shag carpet. But it's a little bit rust inside, not a big deal. Like I said, it's plastic. Let's take a look at the motor. Of course, you can't really see because this thing is in the way. But it looks like it could be. I mean, from what it says, it looks like it's a Robeson motor, but it could be a Samsung. Yeah. I pretty much have a story about this. I mean, I remember back in 6th grade, which was about 1988, one of my teachers had a Robeson box fan on a stand. And I remember it was a Robeson because I was intrigued because the body looked like a Lakewood, but it wasn't a Lakewood. I was just, because it had a emblem right there, and I looked at it and it said Robeson. It's like, oh, nice. And that was the one time I saw it in person. Another time I saw it in person, I saw a Robeson box fan in person, was like at the Goodwill shop about 20 some odd years ago. I could have bought it, but I didn't, and this was when it wasn't really a big thing for me to have vintage fans. So that was gone. Third time I saw a Robeson box fan was like first year when the motorcycle rally I went to was at the Speedway. One of the food vendors had a Robeson box fan. It was the brown cabinet in 5-wing blade. I think that's the one. That one is long gone. And the final time I saw a Robeson box fan for this was one of my coworkers in another department had one, and it was a 4-blade model. I tried to buy it off him before he retired, but he didn't get back with me, so that one is also probably long gone. But yeah, I mean, I saw this on the Fleabay. I mean, I got off work early and all that. I had a rap song to sing. I wanted a ring. I wanted to go to work. Told the boss I was a jerk. That's not right. But the point is, I was dabbling on the eBay. I saw this fan. I mean, I looked at it, didn't think of it, but then all of a sudden, exactly. I mean, why not? I mean, I just went in and grabbed it. And then it was like about a week or so late getting here because there was a problem at the post office where this came from. I mean, not a big deal. Not a big deal. So, and then it's like some instances here on the home front and all that. Busy, work. But I've been rambling on for too long. You guys want to see this fan. You guys want to see this fan running. So, let's get everything plugged up and we'll give it a go. So I guess without further ado, here's Hi. It doesn't seem as loud as it should be, but like I said, honestly, three-wing fans usually don't spin as fast, unless you have an industrial one. And that tends to be like, whoa. Medium. Low. Back to high. We'll check the spin down time now. And of course I got my kilowatt meter out, so turn it on high. Running very low on the amperage. Medium. Low. Don't know if a buzzing of a motor counts as a startup, but I'll figure I'd give it to you anyway. Try medium. And finally low. One more spin down. Alright guys, I guess I was going to finish this video up with this mid-80s Robeson box fan model 2306. And apparently it was running under spec because the motor is smaller and it is in fact a Samsung. So yeah, kind of like the one like Tori has in his K223, as well as the Evenflow one, which I think burned up and died. And yeah, I mean, it's probably going to need some work, and hopefully I can oil it and get rid of that buzzing, because I find it unique. I mean, 3 plastic blades, I mean, you can't get more 80s than that. I mean, it's weird in a way. And I'm kind of like weird. I'm like that, I guess. So I guess until next time, whatever it is, I'm Eskie, thanks for watching. And the comment box is open.